guys, what's up? It's me, Kaya, and today we'll be drawing out of the bags to see what I make. Okay, so the first bag is the theme of what I have to make it out of. So first one we have animals. Second one is mountains. Third one is, wait, hold on, that's just one. Okay, abstract. Go in. Fourth one is beach. And then our fifth one is sunset or sunrise, like either or, just has to include the sun and like rising or setting, you know? Okay, then our next bag is what we have to make it out of. So, first one we have is clay, and then we have soap. And then our third one is candles. Oh, go in. Then the fourth one is canvas. What was that voice crack there when I said fourth one? Okay, and then our third one is what the colors are gonna be. So, like what theme the colors have to be. So first one is pastels, which is pretty. Then we have neon. And then we have black and white, which could be hard depending on what the theme would be. Then we have warm colors, which is red, orange, and yellow, sometimes pink. And then we have cool colors, which is green, blue, and purple, and sometimes pink. It all depends on like the shade. Okay, let's go ahead and start drawing. Okay, it's time to do our first draw. Let's see what we get for the theme. Got it? Animals. Ooh. And then for what we're gonna make it out of, oh, soap. That'll be an interesting one. And then we have, got one, warm. I have an idea for that. Let's go and make it.
Okay, so this is the first draw that I did, and that was soap. And the first thing that I'm doing is obviously coloring it, and I melted the soap already, and then I'm adding a bit more yellow because like it kind of needed it because it was like basically no yellow. I'm adding it in. Now the difference between this soap that I'm making now and then the first soap that I made, oh, and we can't forget the essential oils, just had to say that. I added it off camera for the yellow ones, and then I'm making the orange ones now. So the difference between this soap and the soap that I made last time is really just that you'll actually be able to see the different colors. Because I'm doing yellow, orange, and reddish, pinkish. And I am adding these little like figurine things in, as you can see, into the soap. And I'm going to add multiple layers, but like some of the layers are like in between ones, as that one right there is an in between one. And then so in the in between ones, I'll be like, I have the orange ones, and then I'll add like, well, I'm adding orange ones on top for this one, but like once this layer dries, I will add the reddish pinkish ones. So I say reddish pinkish because it's supposed to be like red, but like not all my figurines, I don't have all red ones, so I added some pink ones that were like warm toned pink ones, so it still counts, I'm saying. And there's my pink ones. They kind of look orange, but that's just because they're like kind of clear. They're not all like solid pink ones, which I don't actually think I even picked some solid pink ones. I think I have one solid pink one. But like those ones are not solid, and then there's also a red one, and my frog entirely moved. Okay, so for my animals, since the theme was like animals, I have a frog, lizards, ducks, and turtles. I have lizards, ducks, and turtles in all the colors, and a frog in pink. Now, I know that it kind of like looks orange, but that's just because it hasn't fully dried yet, and the lighting kind of made it look orange, but it is pink, and you will be able to see the difference. Okay, so for the cutting, I'm doing like the swervy one, and I'm not using like a normal knife, which is what I did last time, which is another difference. The one problem with cutting this is that I didn't like properly like space all the animals out, because I didn't think I would like have to, but you actually should. This is the end product. Let's go on to the next draw.
Okay, it's time for our second draw. Now let's see what we get. this is for our theme. Okay, I have one. Abstract. That's a fun thing to do. We have candles. Candles, which have an idea, but it depends on what the color scheme that we get, which is cool. That'll be fun for candles. Okay, let's go and make it.
Okay, so this is the second draw, which was candles, and the colors are cool, so I am adding pink because it was like a pinky purple, and it did dry before I was able to put my other colors in, and I am adding scents, and those are like little like sparkle thingies, so yeah, you can't really tell that they're sparkles. So the candle, like the wax kind of spilled onto the cutting board, which is why I am using a cutting board. So if you have watched my other videos, you do know how to do this. So I am doing slanted ones this time, which is different. So basically I just like have to put it on like it's on a slant so that it creates like a slanted thing. And then for the second slant, you don't have to do that just because it's already on a slant, but as long as it's fully dry. So for the second candle, as you can see, there's two. I have water in it, which is why there's a whole bunch of sparkles in there too. And then I'm just gonna like mix the sparkles around. And I did not do this in the first time that I did candles. So you wanna make sure that the sparkles are all mixed around in the water. And then the wax for the next layer, which I am making right now, will just go right on top, will not sink through whatsoever. I'm adding a bit of sparkles to it as well. And I really like the color of that, but it was slightly broken, so the water started going through, so I had to add a bit more water, and then I'm adding another layer, just because when you do the water, you have to be careful, and then I'm adding green sparkles, because I did not have any extra sparkles left, but when the purple dries, the green actually looks really pretty with it, so I'm actually happy with that, and I accidentally made, I thought that it was like a brownish color, but it was actually, I thought that it was like a purpley color, but then it was actually brown, so I had to add another layer, and I did that twice on the first candle. And I'm just adding like the extra dried bits, and ta-da!
Okay, so this is what we made for this episode. And first we have our soap, and the theme was soap, animals, and warm. And warm is for warm colors, which is red, orange, yellow, and sometimes pink. As you can see, this red kind of turns into a pink because it's like light colors because of the soap. And as you can see, you can see some of the animals sticking out, and some of them you can't. So it's going to be a little surprise for when you actually use the soap. And it's nice and wavy, which I like. The last time I did not do wavy, but I like it this time. And some pieces did break a bit, but like this one did not. And the ones that broke, you just get extra soap pieces. It works either way. I think I did say pretty on theme for this, because it is warm colors. I did use animals, and it is soap. So, theme, pretty good. Wouldn't say I did anything wrong. But the candles, on the other hand, not entirely my fault, but the theme was candles, abstract, and cool. Now for the candles, just so you know, I haven't cleaned the jars yet, so there is some like drips from the candle from like the candle wax still, like that. That has not come off yet, but I will get them off, don't worry. Now we have this one, which was our second one. It has water in it, and then it kind of like sank a bit in the center. I don't quite know if you can see that or not, but it did. And it kind of creates almost like a down effect from all sides, almost like a upside down pyramid with the one line of the string. And I think that's pretty abstract enough. There's a whole bunch of sparkles and everything in it. And it is cool colors, which are like blues, greens, and purples, and then sometimes pinks, depending on what shade it is. But overall, it's a good one. I love this one, and you can see all the sparkles, which is like kind of abstract because it's not a specific place. So I'd say that one I stayed pretty on theme, but the first one that I made Well, I wouldn't say I stayed on the cool color theme just because of that brown color, well, browny black. It was not supposed to be that color, but then it ended up that I accidentally used that tablet for that color, so it did not stay on that theme, but sometimes things happened, and I have not cleaned this jar either. Oh well, I will clean that.
Turn to the front.
Later.
There you go.
And as you can see, we have different colors. From one side, it's just that. I like this side better because you cannot see that first layer of brown. You can see the second layer, but it kind of looks like it's almost like a beachy theme. So we're going for it's a beach theme with like, you know, like bathing suit, water, more bathing suit, I guess, and sand. So that's the theme. I do still like it. It's not my favorite. I really like this side. I like these two sides. I just don't like this side because you can't see the purple, and I like the purple a lot better than that brown. And I did cut the things off. I did that off camera. Just with the water one, it depends on how solid it is. The water can leak, and it will eventually leak. But it should be fine. Just be aware that you gotta really make sure that's solid, because otherwise it could leak. Anyways, I'd say I stayed pretty on theme for this one. Definitely for this. Mostly for this, but kind of the color problem that went wrong. And then this one's like pretty much abstract. Like abstract can be anything, it just can't be a specific thing, right? So like, say I stayed pretty on theme for this. And that is our ta-da of the things that we made this time. Okay, so this is our last episode of season 1 of Kaya Creates, and I'm just gonna go and do a quick run through of everything that we've made this series. So the first episode that I did was slime. I don't have those specific slimes out because, well, I kind of misplaced them a bit, but like that's okay. I have the activator that I used to make the slime. I have some of the color and the glue. This is the clear glue one. The slime, it was lots of fun. It took a little bit longer to make because of how many slimes I did make. But overall, really fun experience. And moving on, tie-dye. That was my second episode. And we have some shirts. We have this one, which was the heart one. Ta-da! And then we have this one, which was our pirate one, I want to say. There we go. Yeah. And we have a couple others, but just going to go through. That one was lots of fun. I had, like, mostly I just used, like, the same colors. Didn't go too over with too many, but I also used a whole bunch of colors as well at the same time, just depending on what shirt I used. And that one was lots of fun. Like, I just love tie-dye in general. Moving on, candles. I don't have the candles because I gave them away for presents, and then I also used them a bit. But this is the jar that I put them in. Candles, one of my favorite episodes. I just loved making candles and soap, which was our next episode. This was the bluey, greeny, tealy soap. I loved, like, I use this soap all the time in my bathroom, and I have given them away for, like, presents because they're great for presents. I love, like, I put a whole bunch of, like, different, like I put lavender and everything on top. So I loved putting, like, I love how there's, like, flowers on top. And then moving on, clay. I did glue all of my clay onto this thing, which was our next episode. Clay was super easy and simple to make. I'm just, like, trying to show it all. Ta-da! One of the clay pieces did fall off. I will re-glue that later. Anyways, moving on to our next one, painting on things. I forgot what I called that episode, but that's okay. This was one of our ones that I did. Some of the crystals did fall off because I didn't glue these tiny ones, but I did glue the big ones. The big ones all stayed on. Tiny ones in the middle didn't as much. This one I use for storing jewelry when I can open it. But I'm kind of holding a mic right now, so it's kind of hard to open. This one, tissue box. I use it for putting tissues in, and then I use the tissues, like, kind of explains itself in the name. And then my next one was the dipping, paint pouring. There it is. This one, the heart, one of my favorite ones that I made. I just love, like, all the colors on it. This is, like, my overall theme that I love colors, like my favorite colors. And then here's another one, which was on the canvas. This one, I just love how the yellow stands out so much. And how it's just like, and then the other colors are like everywhere else. I don't even know how to like explain how much I love this one. Like, I'm not even a huge fan of these colors in general, but I just love this so much. That was so much fun to make as well. Got a bit messy, but it was a lot of fun to make. And then next was our abstract painting. This was, I think, the first one that I made. This was like the squiggly one. This one was a lot of fun. This one was actually really easy and simple to make. It does take up a bit of paint, and it does get a bit messy every once in a while. But I just love like this one specifically, and also the one underneath it. Let's just put this one down quickly. This one took a little bit longer to make, but it's like, I just love how the colors all like pop out a lot, because it has like the white and the black in the background, and then the colors itself makes it pop out a lot more than all the other ones, because the other ones we covered the entire canvas, and this one is just like pow, pow, pow with the colors. It just makes it pop a lot more. And then our most recent video, which was this video, we have the drawing, so like the drawing out of the bags, and we have the soap that we made, oops, which I really loved, and then the candles. And I loved like how it was like it just like depended on what I drew out of the bag. And it was just like lots of fun, because it was like, it could have been random, it could have been anything. And that was lots of fun that I just like I didn't even know what I was gonna make until I made it, really. So these were all lots of fun. It was such a fun experience. I learned a lot on how to make everything. And it was kind of like trial and error for some of them. Like for the other candle that I made in this episode, I did not expect it to come out brown. For these ones, it took a long time to paint this, right? Like lots of trial and errors, but it was lots of fun. It was a very fun experience overall. Thank you for watching my series, Kaya Creates. Hope you guys have a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye!